Everyone, today we are going to continue our application. Uh, Last video we started an application and we are going for a Spring Security JWT application where we added some dependencies like uh, JWT, and also we added Spring Security and Spring Security Test. So that's the only thing we did yesterday. So today what we are going to do is, other than that, we need a PostgreSQL driver and also Spring Starter data and also Spring Starter web for the REST API. So also this one we discussed, actually the data source and other things. So the next video what we are going to do is not next video, the current video, I will create some packages. I mean, we need some specific packages that's specific to this application. So we all know that we need a controller where I will pass the username and password and getting back the JWT token. So I will create a controller here. So controller, then what else I need? I need a configuration. So whenever we are thinking about a Spring Security application, any application, probably we will have a configuration for package. So I am adding that one. Oh, I made some huge mistake here. Actually we will make it as a smaller case, right? Package name always small case. So I am refactoring that. I am refactoring this name also to the controller small lowercase controller. Okay, so everything is fine. Then I need another one, that's service. So if I have a service, I have a controller, I probably have a service, and also I probably have a another things called a repository or something like, right? Yeah, I should have a repository package also. So here I'm adding service, then I will go with repository. Okay, so package repository. So everything fine right now. Until now everything worked around. Then model. So here I have package model. So that also I added here, and then data acquisition package. So I need to add that also. Okay, then service model DAO, and what else we have, a controller and conf. So next thing what we need to do is we need to have a JWT authentication filter. So what exactly this JWT authentication filter will do is like, it's filtering all the HTTP requests, HTTP servlet response, everything. So basically yeah, every HTTP servlet request, and it will check for whether there is any a token present. If there is no token present, it will throw some exception. So that's exactly that JWT authentication token filter will do. So before I am going further, I probably go to the GitHub repo where we can see what exactly we are going to write down or adding to the JWT authentication filter. So I am going to take that right now, and here it is. So here what exactly we are doing is like JWT authentication filter once per request filter and to do filter internally. So I am not adding as a component here, so probably I need to define as a I need to in somewhere in this application I need to create a bean actually. So where exactly we are going to create that bean, that we will see whenever we are going further on this development. So right now what I am going to do is I will add this JWT authentication filter. Okay, so for that one there is, we need to check whether there is any header dependencies or something. No, there is one dependency for model constants, header string token prefix. So that's the one that we need before we are writing JWT authentication filter. So other than that, everything is everything is Java library dependencies, no other package, no other our application basic dependencies except this one. So I'm going to create these two right now. The other thing we can we can, so here model constants. Okay, so I will go with the model constant first. So it is here. So it's an enum or class. I guess it's a class. So constants, right? Yeah, constants. And I'm going to add this. I'm not going to write down everything. I'm just copying, pasting here. So you guys can go to that repository. So access token validity in seconds. You may need to mention signing key. So I will change that into my name. Okay, something like. Okay, that's fine. Then there are token prefix, header string, everything is set. Okay, thank you for watching. Next video we will go further. Thank you for, have a nice day.